Hello everyone. How to find the total surface of the figure that composed of prism and pyramid or square pyramid. To know how to find this, let's follow this example together. In this question, Tammy is wrapping a miniature dollhouse for her granddaughter's birthday. Determine how much wrapping paper she will need. If she wants to wrap the whole figure, so that exactly means finding the surface area of this figure. We can see that this figure is composed of two three-dimensional shape or figure. So the first one here. So the first one is the prism, and the prism is composed of three dimension. Like for example, we can see like length and width. So the length is 6 inch and the width is 6 inch, and we have the height, which is 4 inches. And to find the surface area for this prism, okay, if we imagine that the prism in this case, or the rectangular prism in this case, as a box, so if we want to open this box, so we have the top cover, we have the base, and we have the sides, which we call it like here the lateral side. So exactly, if we want to do this, I don't need all this information now, so let us do it something like this. So we can open the box. So we will start with the base. So the base is something like this. Okay, the base is square shape. We will try as much as we can to make it as square. So as the dimension is 6 inch with the 6 inch. Okay, so then we have the lateral side. We will start from this side, so we can open it to this direction. So we can open it to this direction. So we have like here is the height, which is 4 inches. So we can go to this side like this, going about 4. It is roughly, it's not just 4. And then we have to close it like this. So we have here 4 inches. On the other side, we can open the box to this side, to the left side. The same thing. We have here like 4 inches, and here like 4 inches, and then we close it. So we have here also 4 inches. Now we can make the front to this side. So open it to this side. The same thing. We have like 4 inches from this side and 4 inches from this side, and then we can open the box like this. Now in the back, we have another face, so we can open it to the other direction, to the back like this. So we can, if we open the box, we can reach to this side. Okay, now the top, we can put the top anything. We can open the top to this direction, or to this direction, or to this direction, or even to the back. It doesn't matter. So I will try now to make the top to this direction. So we have like, as we see, like we have 6 inches, and here we have 6 inches. So here we have 6 inches. and actually we have 6 inches for all the sides. Now to find the surface area, what we have is we have two shape which is square. Here is the first shape and here is the second shape. So when we are talking about square, the area will equal to the side square. The side is 6 and here 6, here 6, and actually here 6. The same thing with the second one, here 6 inch, 6 inch, 6 inch, and 6 inch. That's mean exactly that 6 square, which is equal 36. But because we have 2 square, so now the total will be multiplied by 2 and equals 72 inch square. So we have 72 inch square. What's about the lateral side? The lateral side here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each side is composed of like rectangle with a dimension of 4 and 6. So we have here 4, 6, 4. We have here like in this side 6. So we have here 6, 4, 6, and 4. In this side we have here 6 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, and 4 inch. The last one which we have like 4 inch and 6 inch, and here is the 4 inch and here is the 6 inch. So when we talk about like a rectangle, we know that the area is equal to the width times the length. The width is 4 times the length, which is 6, equal 24, and this is 24 inches square. Because we have 4 rectangles, so we need to multiply 4 times 24. Now 4 times 4, which is like 16, 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, which is 9. Now the total is 72 plus 96, 2 plus 6, which is like 8, 7 plus 9, which is like 16, 168. I can see that I guess that the top of this rectangular prism will not be included because it will be an empty area, because I will suppose that the box will be empty from inside. So in this case I need just a wrap for one piece, so there will be no top in this case. So I will try do something like this. In this case, if you have 168, so you need to subtract one of the base area or one of the square area. So I need to subtract 36 from 168. So in this case, I have like 168 minus like 36. So 8 minus 6, which is 2, 6 minus 3, which is 3, 1 minus 0, which is 1. So the last answer will be 132 inch square for the prism. Okay, so we need to remember that the rectangular prism surface area is 132. Let's go to the pyramid in the top. I don't need all this. I just need to keep the number, which is here 132 inch square. Now for the pyramid is composed of 4 faces on the as a lateral faces, which is 4 identical triangle. because we are talking here about the square pyramid. Why square pyramid? Because the base here is square, composed of 6-inch, 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 and 6-inch. As we said, this is an empty area, so I will be concerned about just the triangle in the top. So each triangle, as you see, so the triangle area will be like this. So triangle area will equal to the half times the base, half times the base times or multiplied by the height. Each base for the triangle is one side of the square. So here is 6-inch, here is 6-inch, 6-inch, and 6-inch. So I can say that this is half of 6 multiplied by height. The height is given, which is 8. Half of the 6, which is 3, times 8, which is 24. Because I have 4 triangle, so I need to multiply 24 by 4. Now 4 times 4, which is 16. 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, 9. Now I have a 96-inch square. Now the total surface area for the whole figure is 132-inch square as the surface area of the rectangular prism, plus the 96-inch square for the pyramid. So this will be something like this. So 132 plus 96, 2 plus 6, which is equal 8, 3 plus 9, which is 12, 1 plus 1, which is 2. So the answer, the total answer will be inch square, which is 228. So let's delete all this. So we need to remember 228. Let's try write the answer here, 228. And the answer is correct. At the end, I want to thank each one of you for watching this video. Maybe this video was a little bit long, but this was necessarily to explain the basic idea about how to find the surface area in some of the real life problem. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.